All right, guys, we got a 2021 Challenger Scat Pack, but he calls her Thunder. You know what Thunder is? Bring on the Thunder, baby. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X pipe, 3-inch pipe system. Then somebody else did a mid muffler delete on it before. We got a hold of it. Then it's got factory valves there and there. And then he brought his own Wesdom Automotive. Wesdom, whatever. Automotive, there's the part number for the tips. And then he brought his own A-KARCK universal exhaust. There's the part number on them, the resonators. There and right there. And because of the black paint, that's why the welds look like that. The rest of the welds are really clean, as you guys can see. All right, so there it is. Quad tips out the back on each side. He brought his own. So we gave you the part numbers on both. There's the part number on the resonators. And there's the part number on the tips. There'll be a link in the description for both. All right, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead. 21 Challenger Thunder Scat Pack. Get it right, boys and girls. Oh, yeah. Nice. Go ahead. Again. That's probably won't drone then, because once it reaches like 110 and above, it gets loud. Yeah. Thundercats, unite! Go ahead. It's so deep. I love it. All right, guys. He's even got a custom badge right there. Look at that. That's awesome. I like that. That color is sexy too. It's not a bad looking color on that. I like it. White body. You remember the Thundercats? Thundercats unite! Oh, do you remember?